Hello, this is a science experiment school lab learning with fun. So today we'll be looking at different series of experiments to carry out in the laboratory. Enjoy the show. Now you are going to do this experiment yourself and so on. You are going to generate electricity from potato. You are going to slow candles with carbon dioxide. Make your own water pump. Then make a colored drain. Make a jet powered boat. Rising water. Inflating balloon automatically. Erupting volcano. Electromagnet. And an electromagnetic train. So these are the experiments to be carried out. Now let's start. Now to generate electricity from potato, let's look at the materials we need: bulb, copper wire, knife, magnet, and potato. So these are the materials we need. So let's learn how to generate electricity from potato. Now the first thing we need to do is to place our potato on the table. Then after we place our potato on the table, with a knife, we make a hole at the center of the potato, just a small hole. Awesome. Now the next thing is to place two magnets by the sides of the potato, by the right and by the left. Then after that, with the help of copper wire, and make sure you tie the copper wire on the magnet in this process. Then after you tie the copper wire on the magnet, you can tie the copper wire, then you connect it to the potato. So you repeat the process to the second magnet. Tie the copper wire on the magnet, then you insert it inside the potato. Awesome. And the next thing is to take your bulb, insert it at the hole in the potato. Awesome. That's how to generate electricity using potato. So moral: potato juice contains many water-soluble chemicals that may cause a chemical reaction with one or both of our copper wire. So we get some electricity from that. So that's awesome. Now let's look at the next experiment that we can do. Now the next experiment is blowing candles with carbon dioxide. Let's look at the materials we need. We are going to need big glass, candle, small glass, baking soda, and vinegar. And let's begin. Let's learn how the candles are blown up in presence of carbon dioxide. Now let's move on. These are the materials we need. Now take an empty glass on the table, then place the candle on the table, 1, a lighted candle, 2, and the third candle on the table. And the next thing is to take an empty glass as well, another empty glass, pour a soda powder in the empty glass. And after that, we pour a vinegar inside the glass. Then the glass is going to erupt. Then you can take the glass towards the empty glass that is by the left, so that the carbon dioxide can enter the empty glass. And by doing so, you can now take the empty glass containing carbon dioxide beside each candle in order to off it. So carbon dioxide will serve as fire extinguisher, which is going to quench the light. Awesome. Lesson from the experiment: when you mix baking soda and vinegar, you produce carbon dioxide. Now flame needs oxygen to sustain, and carbon dioxide acts as fire extinguisher. Awesome. Now let's look at the last experiment for today. Making your own water pump. How to make your water pump? Let's look at the materials that we need. We need a balloon, drilling machine, glue gun, plastic bottle, small glass, straw, water, and air pump. Those are the materials that we need in order to carry out this experiment. Now let's begin. Make your own water pump with balloons and a bottle. Now the first thing we are going to do is to find a plastic bottle, place it on the table, then with the help of your driller, you drill the plastic bottle. Make a hole there. Then after you make the hole, then you insert a straw in the hole. Then after inserting the hole, with the help of shooter gun, you block the hole to the gum. Thereafter, you open the cap of the bottle. Before you open the cap of the bottle, with the help of the empty glass, you place it beside the bottle. Then you open the cap of the bottle. Then after you open the cap of the bottle, you can easily pour water into the bottle. And after you pour water, the next thing is to get your balloon. Then you inflate the balloon with the help of air pump. Awesome. So the next thing to do is to place the balloon on the cap of the bottle. Then automatically pressure is going to generate, which is going to put the water on the empty glass. Awesome. Moral lesson: pressure is created when air is trapped inside balloon by releasing the air from the balloon into the bottle. Water is forced out through the straw, creating a water pump. Incredible. So this is where we are stopping for today. In our next video, we'll be looking at more of the experiment.